Okay. Hi! Yeah. Hello! Yeah. Merry Christmas! Yes, okay. Sit down, sit down, sit down. Okay. I sent to greet everybody. Paano? Tell them, kamusta po kayo? Okay na? Hindi ko yung sasagot. Yung mga bata. Okay. Ulitin natin. Tell them, mus, ta, po kayo. Okay na na. Okay. Ang kulit mo. Sila yung sasagot, hindi ikaw. Guys, once again, we would like to introduce ourselves. My name is Quezaldi Guapo. And what is your name? My name is Gong. Last name, Pagong. Complete name, Gong Pagong. Okay. Yes. And how old are you? How old are you? I am 10 years old. Wow, you're 10 years old. Okay. What would you like to be when you grow up? 11 years old. Hindi. Ibig sabihin na gusto mo maging, yeah, you want to be a doctor, nurse, teacher, or what? Singer. Well, let's ask the kids one by one. How about you, Kuya Matthew? What would you like to be when you grow up? You want to be a... What? Teacher. A teacher, that's just right. Very good. How about Ate Katniss? What would you like to be when you grow up? You want to be a... Teacher. Very good. Si Kuya MJ, ano gusto mo maging paglaki mo? You want to be a... What would you like to be? It's... Soldier. Wow, soldier. How about you, Kuya Jacob? What would you like to be when you grow up? You want to be a... Police! Oh, si Kuya Lucio. Kuya Lucio, ano gusto mo maging paglaki mo? What would you like to be when you grow up? You want to be an... Okay, how about Kuya Lawrence? Asan si Kuya Lawrence? Kuya Lawrence! Okay, hi Kuya Lawrence! Okay, Kuya Lawrence, and hi. What would you like to be when you grow up? You want to be an... Okay, yeah. And this time, I want to be a singer. Oh, you want to be a singer? Can you give them a sample? Later. Very good. And kids and everybody, alam niyo po ba, yung best friend ko, magaling tong magbilang. Tana. Okay, showcase your talent. Okay, let's do counting. In 3, 2, 1, count. 1, 2, 3, start, time. Basic. Ayun, pag-basic. Okay, this time, let's count 1 to 10. 1 to 10? Yeah. Ready? Go. 1 to 10. Basic. Ano 1 to 10? Sa akin na 1 to 10. Hindi. Kailangan 1 to 10 na dire-diretso. Okay. Ulitin natin. Okay. Let's count 1 to 10. Dire-diretso. Okay. Ready? Go. 1. Dire-diretso. 2. Dire-diretso. 3. Dire-diretso. 4. Hanggang dulo dire-diretso. Ang kulit mo. Okay. And alam niyo po ba mga bata, si Kong magaling tong mag-aral. Tama. Ang paborito niyang subject ay math. Bakit math? Matulog. Ano matulog? Hindi. Kasi Kuya Matthew na may favorite. What's your favorite subject, Kuya Matthew? It's math also. Si Ate Katniss, science. Very good. Si Kuya Jacob. Kaya ano gusto mo po? Ayan. Si Kuya Dylan, it's English. You're very good. And this time, yes. Yeah. What lang science and math? Yeah. Okay. What is your question? 3x equal to 50. Hindi ko alam yung math. Matulog lang alam niya. Hindi ko sige. Ang hirap ng 3x plus 15. Hindi ko alam niya. Okay. At this time, yes, at this time, magaling din si Gong mag-sing ng alphabet song. Sino magaling mag-sing ng alphabet? Okay. If you know the song, join together with my best friend Gong. Okay? Gong, showcase your talent. Let's sing an alphabet song. Okay. Ready? Go. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Very good. H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. Very good. Q, R, S, T, U, D, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know A, B, C. Kayo naman. Next time, won't you? Yeah, galing na mga bata. Palakpak ko. clap your hands, clap your hands. Oh, you're very good in singing of alphabet song. And this time, yan, go. Alam niyo po ba, mga bata, mga kaibigan, ito po yung tinatawag nating ventriloquist. Alam niyo po ba, kung hindi po dahil sa akin, hindi po siya magsasalita. Alam niyo din to, kung hindi dahil sa akin, nagsasalita siya mag-isa. Alam niyo din po ba, kung hindi dahil sa akin, wala siyang buhay. Alam niyo din to, kung hindi dahil sa akin, makakahanap buhay. Oh, hindi! Ayaw mo na. Okay lang, kami. At this time, may papaliwanag tayo sa mga bata. Ano yan? Kasi yung iba kanina natakot eh. Bakit? Saan ka ba naman nakakita, manika, puppet, bagong nagsasalita? Anong sasabihin? Sabihin mo, mga bata, huwag kayong matakot sa akin. Nakakatakot ka kasi. Hindi ako. Ulit. Sabihin mo, mga bata, huwag kayong matakot sa akin. Puppet lang ako. Talaga? Hindi, sabihin mo, puppet lang ako. May hindi nga. Puppet ka na. Hindi! Ikaw! Ako! Sabihin mo, mga bata, huwag kayo matakot sa akin. Puppet lang ako! Uy! Uy! Don't touch me! Hey, stop the music. Stop the music. Ano ba problema? After all these years, ng pamako. Bakit? Ano naman? Kaya talaga naliligo ko sa washing machine. Uy, sige na. Baka hindi, barbecue sa akin, steak lang. Hindi na. Okay, anong message mo sa lahat ng mga bata? Kids, sana nag-ingat rin tayo palagi. And mag-aral ng mabuti. Ano ba dapat gawin para mag-ingat? Kumain ng masustansyang pagkain. Mag-vitamins, maligo araw-araw, at mag-toothbrush. Baka malaglag. Okay? Yes. And, advance Merry Christmas and Happy New Year sa inyong lahat. And this time, lahat ng mga bata, okay lang po ba? Okay, nandito na siya. Di siya picture tayo. I'm requesting a picture taking care of my best friend one by one. Okay, Christmas song ka. Okay? Halika dito, picture tayo. Okay, come here.